Hey Wally, how you doing?
Good to see you, Elliot.
Good to see you. What's going on here? What's this for?
So I need you to have a hard hat because we are going to be touring where we're breaking ground. Buffalo Cactus Senior Apartments, Nevada Hand's newest affordable housing community, set to go online the middle of next year.
Wally, I wouldn't normally do this for anyone, but you at Nevada Hand are great people. You're doing incredible work for low-income communities. I can take one for the team. Ruin the hair and don the hard hat. Well, we won't say anything. Let's go inside.
Let's do it.
So Wally, clearly we're standing where there will eventually be a community here. Tell me exactly what we can expect to see when Buffalo and Cactus is in its full glory.
Yeah, so, you know, the day you break ground is one of my favorite days. But my favorite day is key day.
Right.
From today, over the next 18 months, this vacant land is going to be transformed into 125 units of high-quality affordable housing for low-income seniors. These residents are going to have free on-site supportive services.
Wow.
And community amenities like a pool, a fitness center. They're going to have free transportation. We're going to have a shuttle service provided to them so they can go to doctor's appointments, they can go to the pharmacy, they can go to the grocery store. And so providing that essential service here in a high-quality environment, right, where you have a pool, you have those things, those amenities that really just allow seniors to age in place with dignity.
Nevada Hand is an incredible organization. You do such valuable work. The tagline, more than just a home, speaks to what you guys do. So this area right here, where you mentioned there'll be 125 properties for people to move into,
Yep.
Give me an idea of what this is going to look like. What is the layout going to be? What is the community going to, what is this vibrant community going to look like when it's built?
Yeah, so what you're going to have is you're going to have a 4-story building. It's kind of going to have a straight thoroughfare across with 4 little outlets coming. You're going to have a pool, you're going to have community gardens, you're going to have a park in there. That's when we build, we really want that sense of community, right? That's what our resident services is all about. It's making sure that each and every resident, all 8,000 residents who live at a Nevada Hand community throughout the valley, they have access to these resources, right? For health and wellness with fitness centers. They have on-site staff that are there. It's a one-stop shop at their doorstep in the community center here for health and wellness, community engagement, financial stability, education, these after-school programs at our family communities. For seniors, sometimes it's a food pantry, sometimes it's a shuttle service. We want to make sure that from a holistic view, 360 degrees, we provide residents with opportunities for them to succeed.
Right. This community will be something to behold when it's finished. Clearly, it's not your only project you guys are undertaking right now. It's the one we're here right now. But what's the vision for Nevada Hand? What's the outlook look like for the rest of 2024? Where do you guys want to be, and what's the goal for the rest of this year?
Yeah, the goal for this year is, keep our foot on the gas. As an organization that has 5,000 units in our portfolio and 2,000 under development, we have a lot of work to do. We're trying to meet that need. The community partners, our elected officials at the local, state, and federal level, they are providing the resources that they're able to provide, and the other nonprofit partners and the other partners throughout our entire community. It's that collaboration that makes the work that we do possible, and we have a lot of work to do. At the end of 2024, 2025, there's going to be a lot of work to do, but we're dedicated to that work, and we are committed to addressing this state's crisis that we have when it comes to housing.
Las Vegas and Nevada is a city and a state that loves community, that loves to get involved, that support each other, and I'm sure there are viewers watching at home right now who want to know how they can make a difference, how they can get involved, how they can help Nevada Hand. What can they do? Yeah,
the truth is, Elliot, is that the work that we do wouldn't be possible without the support of the community. Financing is what makes these deals come to fruition. It's how we're able to have 35 communities and 5,000 units serving, over 8,000 people throughout the community. The on-site resident services that I spoke of earlier, that's 100% funded by donations that come in. And so the community support, whether it's $10 a month, $100 a month, $1,000 a month, every dollar that comes to us makes a difference, and it goes directly into the programming and into the residents' lives that we serve.
In 2025, there will be 125 units here, homes here for people to move into. Wally, you've enthused me so much. We've got these hard hats on. I have IKEA experience. I'm ready to get my hands on with Nevada Hands.
With 3 daughters, they only let me use Legos, so maybe that's more my level, but I like it. Let's get to work.
Me and Wally are gonna get to work right here check out the website on your screen. Nevada Hand, making a difference in the community. More than just a home. I wouldn't wear this for anyone, my friends.